I am.
I am.
I am
a former elementary school teacher,
a math teacher,
an elementary and high school music teacher,
a high school librarian,
a stay-at-home mom,
a homeschooling mom.
I am a veteran.
I am a VIP kid teacher.
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 I am a VIP kid teacher.
I am
A gamer.
A book lover.
a puppeteer,
a teddy bear collector,
an anime fan,
a story maker,
a knitter,
A quilter.
I am
A ballerina.
a candle maker,
A runner.
a game master,
an author,
A journalist.
A traveler.
a world traveler,
A world traveler.
a t-shirt designer.
I am a hiker.
I am a filmmaker.
I am
A VIP kid teacher.
a VIP kid teacher,
a VIP kid teacher,
I am a VIP kid teacher.
I am
a Walt Disney World cast member,
a fitness coach,
A Zumba instructor.
a beekeeper,
A homesteader.
A farmer.
an entrepreneur.
a chief web designer.
a doula,
A genealogist who studies family history.
A dog trainer.
a neonatal ICU nurse,
I am a maple syrup producer.
I am a scientist.
I am
a VIP kid teacher,
A VIP kid teacher.
a VIP kid teacher.
I am a VIP kid teacher.
I am
An autism mom.
A pancreatic cancer survivor.
mom to 3 girls,
A Coloradan.
I am a Minnesotan.
I am her sister.
I am her sister.
I am a nana to 8 grandchildren.
I am a backpacking flutist.
a musician,
A worship team keyboard player.
I am a pianist.
And I am a singer.
I am a VIP kid teacher.
I am
a VIP kid teacher,
A VIP kid
teacher.
I am a VIP Kid teacher.
I am a VIP Kid teacher.
I am
a
VIP Kid
teacher.
a VIP Kid teacher.
A VIP Kid teacher.